the Polycom VVX150. In this video, we will go over the device features and some commonly used functionality to get you up to speed with your new phone. When you first set up your phone, take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the hardware and button locations. On the left is your handset, and on the right is your display screen and keypad. Next to the keypad, you will see some additional buttons for quick access to different features of the device, such as your navigational arrow keys, headset and speakerphone buttons, and physical mute, hold, and transfer buttons. At the bottom of the device is a physical volume control. Using this button while the device is idle will adjust the ring volume. Using the button while on a call will adjust the volume for the medium you are using, via handset, headset, or speakerphone. The display screen is your main source of information from the device. When the display is idle, you will see the time and date, your line key and soft key options, as well as feature notifications like voicemail or do not disturb. The buttons to the left of the screen are your line keys. These keys can be configured to add additional lines to use with your main extension, assign remote line keys for other extensions, and even allow you to assign login and logout buttons for hunt groups. The buttons below the screen are your soft keys. These buttons will change depending on the current activity of the phone. When idle, you have direct access to functions like call history or toggling do not disturb. To dial an outbound call, enter a phone number from the dial pad, then pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call information, such as the dialed number and call duration, will be visible on the screen, and you will have access to additional soft key options while on the active call. While on a call, you can place a second outbound call by simply placing the caller on hold, dialing the new number, and pressing the dial soft key. To return to the first caller, press the down arrow key to select the original call, and then press the resume soft key. To answer an incoming call, simply pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call information, such as the caller ID and call duration, will be visible on the screen, as well as additional soft key options for your active call. To answer a call waiting, simply press the blinking line key. This will automatically place the first caller on hold and answer the new call. To return to the first caller, press the down arrow key to select the original call, and then press the resume soft key. While on a call, you can place the caller on hold by pressing the hold button or pressing the hold soft key. The call will immediately be placed on hold, showing the word hold on the display screen. To pick the call back up, press the line key where the call is being held, indicated by the blinking LED, or press the resume soft key on the screen. A warm or attended transfer allows you to consult with the party to which you are sending the call to before completing the transfer. On the bottom of the screen, press the transfer soft key. This will place the caller on hold. Dial the number or extension you wish to transfer to and wait for the party to answer the call. After your deliberations, you can complete the transfer by pressing the transfer key again or simply hanging up your phone, and the call will be immediately connected to the second party. A blind transfer allows you to immediately transfer a call to another number or extension. On the bottom of the screen, press the transfer soft key. This will place the caller on hold. Press the blind soft key, followed by the number or extension you'd like to transfer to, and press the send soft key to complete the transfer. The call will immediately start ringing to the second party. To create a conference call, while on an active call, press the conference soft key. The initial caller will be placed on hold. Dial the new number or extension and wait for the new party to answer the call. Finally, press the more soft key, followed by the conference soft key to join the two calls. You can use the additional soft key options to manage the conference call. Press the hold soft key to put the conference call on hold. Press the manage soft key to mute or disconnect parties individually. Pressing the More soft key will give you additional options for the conference, such as splitting the conference to individual calls on hold, parking the conference, or even the ability to flip the conference back to your extension. You can end the conference call by pressing the End Call soft key. If a caller needs to hold for a user that is not currently at their desk or is near a different device, you can easily park the call to allow them to pick up the call from any device on the account. Press the More soft key once, and then press the soft key labeled Park. The call will immediately be placed on hold on a parked extension number, and you'll receive an audible notification of where the call is parked.
Call parked on extension 9980.
Now, any user can simply dial the extension number, and the call will be immediately picked up and successfully transferred to the extension it was dialed from. If you need to move a call to a different device assigned to your user account, you can use the Call Flip feature to send the call back to your extension. Press the More soft key 2 times to access the third page of the soft key options. Then press the Call Flip soft key. The call will be placed on hold and is transferred back to your extension, allowing you to answer it on a different device assigned to your user account. The call history records all calls made and received to this device. You can use the left, down, and right arrow keys to quickly access specific call history lists, such as received, missed, and placed calls respectively. Or you can press the directory soft key and select recent calls. You can redial any number from the lists by using the arrow keys to select the call and pressing the dial soft key. You can also add a call from the history as a contact. Select the call with the arrow keys and press the Info soft key. Press the Save soft key, then edit the name, phone numbers, and contact information. And finally, press the Save soft key to store the information in your phone's directory. To access the directory, press the DIR soft key and select Contact Directory. Any contacts you've added to the device will be listed here, and you can select the contact and press the Dial soft key to quickly call out to the party. You can also press the Add soft key to create new contacts at any time. To turn on Do Not Disturb and send callers directly to voicemail, press the D and D soft key on the idle display screen. The Do Not Disturb icon will appear on the top of the screen. Press the button again to turn off Do Not Disturb. You can set call forwarding from your device at any time. Press the Forward soft key to access the forward settings directly. You have 3 forwarding options. Always Forward will immediately forward all calls received to this extension to the number you entered. No Answer Forward will forward any calls you miss while idle or on a call to the number you entered after your specified ring time. By default, this is set to your extension so it forwards the caller to your voicemail. Busy Forward will forward any calls that you reject to the number you entered. By default, this is set to your extension number so it forwards the caller to your voicemail. When a caller leaves a voicemail, you will see a voicemail icon appear next to your line keys and a small display of how many new voicemail messages are stored. This note will stay visible until you listen to the new voicemail. To check your voicemail, press the Home button, then navigate to Message, then Message Center. Press the Connect soft key to connect to your voicemail, and enter your PIN to listen to your new voicemail messages or set up your personal greetings.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.